Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a playlist on Spotify step by step. First, open the Spotify app. Next, tap on Create, then select Playlist. Give your playlist a name, for example, Test Playlist. Now, let's customize the playlist. Add a description name, for example, Test Playlist. Then click Save Changes. To change the playlist cover image, tap Change Cover Image, choose a photo from your device, and then tap Use Photo. If you want to make the playlist private, tap the three dots menu and select Make Private. Finally, to add music, tap Add Songs and choose the tracks you like. And that's it.